right, so we're back here again today. I've got an even bigger crew with me today. So obviously me and Jayton are gonna work on getting the drawers in my truck because I got those from Decked and I'm very excited about it. And I just figured might as well do it while I have a bunch of help. So we're finishing getting the zip system up on the other side of the house. And then after that, we're going to pull the siding off of the shop. We're gonna pull the house wrap off from behind the siding, and then we're gonna do zip on all of that. So yes, we've got a lot of work to do today, but we've also got a lot of guys, so I'm thinking we'll make some good progress. Nice. Those stupid wheel wells. Oh, doesn't matter, it's no match for Jayton. Hell yeah. Been working like a dog. Keep my family fed. Shocking amount of hardware. I'm gonna do what I usually do, and I'm gonna watch Jayton do all the work, and I'm just gonna tell him what to do, which is great. So yeah, those drop in.
The back bolt hole right here doesn't line up.
Which way?
We need to go that way.
How much?
An eighth to a quarter.
Just like right there, just so it's not all the way through. Okay, now we got it. Bounce it a couple times. So nice and clean. It's a little too far. Right there on this one. I thought it was kind of funny.
Oh, did you make that?
Yeah.
That's sick. Nice.
Up. That's good for now. Come in. And then up. That'll work. All right, well, that was a hell of a day for sure. We got a ton done, almost wrapped up the shop. We basically got 2 of the 4 sides fully demoed and resheeted and taped. And then we got started, well, let me rephrase that. We fully demoed 3 sides, installed 2 sides, and then started demo on the 4th side. So we're a little more than halfway done. Although the last side is gonna be the hardest because it's no access for the forklift, so we'll have to do it all off of ladders. But yeah, it was a good day. This house is starting to look like a proper home that I build, not like a meth house. So I'm overjoyed about that. And tomorrow, hopefully, we'll get the rest of everything all wrapped up.